Okay, we're going to try question 5 to question 7 of this exam type cubic question. And let's just try the next part. They say, can you find the equation of the tangent line at x equals 0? Well, this is the x-axis, that's 0. So it's right there at f, the equation of the tangent line right there. Well, if we want the equation of a line, we need the gradient. And how do we get the gradient? We take the derivative and we make it equal 0. So there it is, minus 3x squared plus 6x plus 9. So there's the derivative. If we make it, well, we don't want to make it equal 0, actually. We want to find out when x is 0, what the gradient would be. That's what this derivative tells you. So if I let x equal 0, the gradient is 9. Well, I know it must be y equals 9x plus something. But what's the y-intercept? Well, the y-intercept there, we know it's minus 27. So y must equal 9x minus 27. So we want the equation of a line at a particular point. We take the x value and put it into the equation. We don't want the turning point. We don't make it equal 0. We want to find out the gradient rate when x equals 0. So we just put it into the derivative formula. So that's question 5. Let's look at question 6. We've got this function, and they want to know what values of k would make exactly 3 equal roots. Well, there's this pretty easy way of doing it. You take the function and you make it equal whatever line you're like. When it equals 0, so say f of x equals a number, there'd be a line going straight across here. Y equals k. That's what it would look at. Well, if k is 0, you'd be going right through here. You'd have exactly 2 roots. The question is, when do you have 3 roots? 1, 2, 3. When the function equals 0, you have 2 solutions here. At 3 and 0, right here at b, and at minus 3 and 0. There's your 2 solutions. If this just drops a little bit, if k is a little bit less than 0, you've got the right answers, 3 units. And when does it stop? Way down here when k is minus 32. That's when you have just 2 roots. But a little bit above it, if x is greater than minus 32, then you've got 3 roots. So this is your answer, less than 0 or greatest than minus 32. And the last question is, I want to shift this equation 3 units to the left. How would I do that? Well, all you have to do, you have to know, is you have to take this plus 3 here, and that plus 3 inside the bracket shifts the whole equation 3 units to the left. So you just add 3 inside the brackets. And what do you get? 3 plus 3 is 6, minus 3 plus 3 is x. There's your new function right there. That's the new function. 3 units to the left. And I even got a computer to do it to make sure it was right. There's the original function. If I add 3 right in there and I get this equation, it moves exactly, everything moves 3 units to the left. Ooh, you see, I messed up in this video. I didn't put the right thing in one of the questions. I have to redo it right now.